Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So your printer is not working. So first step guys, your system and your printer need to restart. Okay. And then click to start, go to setting. Okay. Then system, scroll down, troubleshoot, another troubleshoot, and then run the printer. Okay. Printer, click on it. And wait few seconds. This is first method. Okay. Next, second method. Correct deploy the printer. So click to start, go to setting, then system and Bluetooth and device, and then printer. So which printer you are using, like IP printer, USB printer, Wi-Fi printer. So open this printer. Okay. Then select the printer property. You can see preference. You can see the check advanced basics and cancel it. Then click to test print. Okay, and send to test print. Okay, so you are getting like error printing in like, so close it, close, then click to start, type services, right click to run as administrator, then type pre printer spooler. Okay, just double click, stop. Okay, okay, now it is stop. Again open, select automatically, and then start, and then apply, and then okay, and then close it. Then next, reset the printer spooler setting via command. This is so important. Click to start and type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, and then type net stop spooler, then hit enter. You can see services as well stop. Then next command, del slash q slash f slash line, type it and then same, hit the enter. Then third command, type like net start spooler, then hit enter. Okay, and then close it. Then guys, restart your system once again, your printer also and your system also. If you unavailable to testing and doing this step, so you can check the descriptions link, Google form, and you fill out and share your details, so my team will be reach out to remote sessions if you are interested. Okay, and if you have other companies and you're not aware about the update and troubleshoot this and install latest driver, so you can also fill this form for your needs the remote sessions. Okay, thank you guys.